Leiden. Okay. Say hi. But yeah, we just ordered lunch in this beautiful cafe. Wait, let me show you. Look how pretty it is. It's so freaking pretty. And yeah, today we're gonna spend the day here. She's gonna show us around. She lives here now. And tomorrow we're gonna go to Amsterdam and spend the day there. And then we have still 2 more days. So then we could also go to The Hague. Because as I said, I feel like Leiden is like smaller Amsterdam because it looks the same as the nice canals, the nice houses. And The Hague, I always feel like I'm in New York. Oh, for real? Okay, let's go there. Anyways, talk to you later. It stopped raining. Hey! We're going thrift shopping. Okay, we've been here for 2 minutes and I just found this coat. Why is it 50? So well, it's 30 euros. Look at this one. This is so cute. Oh yeah, this too. Look at this one. Oh, that's so good. And we're shopping again. We've literally been here for 5 minutes and it's for breakfast though. To get us breakfast. Surprise, surprise, it started raining. Yay! So we are hiding under this little roof and we're waiting for it to stop, but it doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon, so yay! We got all ready to go to Amsterdam, and then we wanted to go to Amsterdam, we wanted to go like thrift shopping, we wanted to go to the flower market, to the red light district, all these things. And we've been literally standing under this little roof right here for the past 15 minutes waiting for an Uber. The Uber is like too busy because obviously like nobody can ride their bikes here anymore, so it's too busy, so we can't find a driver that would be able to drive us to the train station. So we are just stuck here.
I'm a bit pissed off.
Yeah. We made it to the train station! Yay! Amsterdam, here we come!
All of my life, bumping and move, pickles and patchwork, find no glue. Got my own town, cut it right out. Peace with the maker, milk in the sky.
We're in Amsterdam! It wouldn't be us if we didn't eat McDonald's at every city we visited.
Why would you do this? Why would you hurt me? I'm not acting in your play. What do you need? Poison my feet and I'll be on my way. But I'm not ready to relax.
guys, so I know this vlog is kind of a mess. I'm sorry. Wait, I'm gonna put this down. I decided to like kind of sum up for you guys everything that has happened because these past 3 days were like very hectic. Basically, me and Vojta, my boyfriend, came to visit my sister here in Leiden, which is a beautiful city like 30 minutes next to Amsterdam. So yeah, the first day when we came, we just kind of walked around, biked around Leiden, talked to my sister because I haven't seen her in such a long time. But then the next day we decided to go to Amsterdam. But when we woke up, my sister felt very, very sick. So basically in the morning, me and Vojta went to the pharmacy to get her some medicine. Then we cooked lunch and we went to Amsterdam. So that was yesterday. We just walked around very quickly. I have to say I had like very high expectations for Amsterdam because, you know, every time I see Amsterdam on social media, it looks so like Pinteresty, like so beautiful. But then when we got there, it kind of felt, you know, it's a big city. It was kind of dirty. From the pictures, it just looks so perfect, and obviously it's not, because it's a giant city. So, well, it's not really giant, but like, you know, it's a capital, so yeah. But whatever, we just walked around. We went to the red light district, which was very fun. Very recommend going there. We went to like a peep show thing. Had a fun time there. And then today we again woke up at like 11 a.m. so late. So we just woke up, we went to the grocery store, and instead of breakfast we straight away ate lunch. And now I did my makeup and we are going to Hague, which is another city, again like 30 minutes from Leiden. And also in the evening my parents will come, so that's fun. And then tomorrow morning we're gonna go home. But yeah, anyways, let's go to Hague. Maybe. This is so freaking beautiful. So guys, we didn't go to Hague. We stayed in Leiden because Vojta's not really feeling well, and then we also agreed that it's kind of late, like it's 5 in the evening, so we would be there for such a short period of time. We don't really know what to do there anyways, and we really like Leiden, so we're just biking around. Now we sit down in this beautiful canal. It's so pretty. Everything is so pretty. So yeah, we will probably go grab some dinner later. But other than that, we will just bike around, and that's all we're gonna do. So yeah. Okay, so this is our beautiful spot for dinner. Look at this. Oh, look at this beauty. This is definitely one of the best dinners I've had in my whole entire life. Like, look at that view.
It'll be okay.